This is very nice and delicious combo you must try. Turkey and fish stew. So delicious. So keep watching to see how I made this. Hello lovelies, let's get started. First, I'm going to wash my turkey and fish really well and transfer in my pot. I'll proceed by chopping some onions and garlic. Add my mixed spices that contains seasoning cube, curry powder, thyme, bay leaf and salt. I will stir, add little water, cover and allow to cook. I'm going to remove the fish after a while and allow the turkey to cook properly. Don't mind the little distraction by the side. Meanwhile, I'll peel my onions, deseed my tatashe and bell peppers, wash really well and set aside. Now I'm going to check on the turkey and it has cooked really well. I will separate it from the stock and set aside. I will go ahead and blend my tomatoes and tatashe. I'm going to blend until smooth, transfer in my pot and allow to cook down. This method will make the frying process very easy, so it's good to cook your tomatoes or pepper mix before frying. Now I'm going to fry the turkey. In my preheated oil, I will add some garlic and scotch bonnet pepper for flavor. Then I will add the turkey and allow to fry. Once it's done, I will remove it and fry the fish. To make the stew in the same oil, I will add my chopped onions and curry leaves. Stir and allow to fry for a while. You can add anything you want to add to build flavor. Your thyme, rosemary and whatnot. For me, I like to keep it simple because I don't want anything to alter the fragrance of my fresh curry leaves. Next, I will add my tomato paste. Stir and allow to fry until the sour taste is no more. Once that is done, the texture will change and you'll get something like this. Next, I will add my cooked tomatoes. You guys, you see that splash? That is why I don't go for smooth blend, because it splashes everywhere. But you guys, this recipe requires smooth texture. Anyways, we move. I'm going to stir and clean really quick before we continue. Now I'm going to add my seasoning cubes, stir and cover halfway to stop it from splashing everywhere. I'm going to allow to fry on a medium to low heat. I actually transferred on a small burner to fry while I cook my white rice. At this time, I check on it and it has fried really well. As you can see, oil has floated on top. Now I'm going to add the fried turkey and fish as well as the stock. Add water if it's too thick. Stir and adjust the seasoning if needed. Cover and allow to cook on a medium to low heat. Few minutes later, the stew is ready. The taste is out of this world. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.
Delicious.